Welcome to specifically for DNS for SOC Analyst video 1. In this course we are going to learn DNS for SOC Analyst, one of the important topic, and from the very basics in a practical way. This course is designed especially for beginners who want to understand how the internet actually works behind the scenes. Before we move on to DNS for SOC Analyst, we must understand very important foundation topic, that is DNS. Before move on to the topic, I am Shiva, your instructor for this course. I have completed a master's in cybersecurity and also have 17 years of experience in this field and conducted many cybersecurity networking and Linux and Windows Server administration courses in various institutions. I completed many certifications like CCNA route in 2015 and also SOC Council Cybersecurity Analyst in 2018. So from onwards, I am conducting many seminars, workshops on cybersecurity courses various institutions. Now I am working as a freelance trainer. I have started this one. Okay, let's finish and we will discuss about the topic well. In this video, we are going to start from the very beginning. What happens when you open your website in your browser? Now I open a website, google.com here. Okay, web page is here. So let us imagine already I open. You type here. I open this one. This looks very simple, but many things are happening in the background. One important thing you must understand is computer. So once we open here, will it ask any? Will it open directly without any support? No. Once you type, it as IP address of the domain. Okay. Computers only understand IP address like 127.0.0.1 like that. So now the question is, how does the computer convert google.com into an IP address? Do you have any idea about it? Well, there is where DNS comes into the picture. DNS, already you heard about it. I think if you know, it's nice, otherwise you tell about it. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It is like a phone book of the internet. You know your person's name, but the phone book gives you the phone number. Already it was in earlier days to verify the directory to get the phone number. Similarly, we know the website name, but DNS gives us the IP address. So the main job of DNS is convert domain names into IP addresses. Let us consider and understand the full process step by step. I have opened the website here, google.com. The browser asks the operating system if it is already knows the IP address for google.com. The operating system checks the DNS cache. If the IP address is already saved, it uses it directly. We will discuss about DNS cache later on in our upcoming videos. If the IP address is not in the cache, the system sends a DNS query to the DNS server. The DNS server finds the IP address for google.com and sends it back. Now the browser connects to that IP address using HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. The web server responds and the website opens. Let us see the practical way using command prompt and the browser. Now we have opened the website using browser. Next we open it with the command prompt cmd and we run it as administrator, and I provide the IP URL here, ping google.com. We will open the same URL here in the browser. So once we enter, it starts to ping. It displays the IP address. You understand? It does not provide any URL like google.com, but it shows or displays the IP address of the domain. This way we can understand the relations between IP address and the domain name. Okay, now we will cross check it. It now. Once we put this IP address to the URL, the website will open. We'll check it now. I copy it and I paste here the IP address of the domain. It opens. So similarly, we are cross-check the connectivity between DNS or domain and the IP address. Okay, this command directly ping is a very, now we discuss about ping. Ping is one of the important command to make to check the connectivity between two devices. Okay, this is the way ping is very useful commands to understand DNS. So in this video we'll learn what DNS is, why DNS is needed, what happens when we open a website, how DNS converts domain names into IP addresses, and we saw DNS using command prompt. In the next video we will see what happens when you directly enter an IP address into the browser, understand DNS cache, and also get a small introduction to DNS records like A, MX, and TXT, NS, etc. in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this course.